All right, guys, good morning. Welcome to Profit Clubhouse. All right, let me just be fast. In Profit Clubhouse, we make profit out of forex trading. Now, let me go straight to teaching you this wonderful strategy that helps you to scalp, to ride the market of crash and boom without fear of spikes. Okay, now let me just rush because I don't want to make this video long. Okay, so now your MetaTrader 5 has a zoom level of what? 5. Now this is the minimum it can be. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now first thing first, take your zoom level. Take your zoom level to what? 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is okay. Now next, I'm trying to be fast, okay? All right. Now next is what? Click on this F button to include what? Our first indicator. Our first indicator will be the stochastic oscillator. So I click it and I'm adding. All right. So I'm looking for what? Stochastic oscillator. Here is it. Now I click on stochastic oscillator. The setting, the K period will be 15. The D period will be what? 5. Slowing 5. Price field low/high. Method simple. Now the main styles should be what? 1 pixel, the color white. The signal 3 pixel, color any color of your choice. The levels now 80, 50, 20. The levels 80, 50, 20. Now go back and click on what? Done. We've added it. All right. Then next I'm adding into this window. So I click on what? F. Now I'm adding what? I'm adding the average true range. This one. Now I click it. Now the period should be what? 14. The pixel 2, any color of your choice. Right? You click on what? Done. Now we have it here. Next is I'm creating a new indicator window. I'm creating a new indicator window because I need a second indicator window here. Now I will not click here. I will click on this place and add my RSI because I wanted to create a new indicator window. That is how to create a new indicator window. So I click on and I'm adding relative strength index. What? I'm adding 14. Apply to close. The pixel, you choose any color of your choice. So let me think of a color. Let me go on blue. Let me go on this turquoise blue. So the level, I'll add a level. I'm adding level 95 and I'm adding level 5. Go back, click on what? Done. Now I have it. Next is what? I'm adding another RSI, and I'm not adding it anywhere, but I'm adding it in this window. So I'll click here. I'll be clicking what? Here. Now I click on F. Average relative strength index. I'm adding relative strength index 4. Choose a color of my choice. Go this way. The levels, nothing should be at level because we've already had another level there. Apply to close. Color pixel of your choice. Then click on what? Done. Now we have it here. Next is what? I'll add the MACD, and I'm adding the MACD in this window. So I'm clicking here. All right. MACD. The settings I'm using for my MACD is 12 for the fast EMA. For the slow EMA, I'm using 26. For the MACD SMA, I'm using what? 9. Apply to close. Now the main pixel, the main styles, your pixel should be 1. Your color should be white. I don't want it to show. Now the signal is what I need, so I'm using a pixel of 2, while the color, any color of your choice, so I'm choosing red. Now I click on what? Done. Now when you click on done, you have it this way. Now how does the strategy work? Note, for boom, these are the conditions. For boom, these are the conditions. A crossover here. Now you can see that crossover here. And ATR, which is the red line, is above 80. Is above 80. The stochastic above 82. Now when you see it that way, immediately you see the crossover here, you confirm the crossover here. What do? You sell for boom. So let me see if I can get any crossover that I can trade live on. So check, crash 1, 500, boom, 500. Now here is a crossover. Here is a crossover. So though I'm late, because if you can see it, my ATR is already going towards what? 20. So I might not be able to take up to 2 candles. So let me just stay off this market. I'm late. There is a crossover here. See what happened here? A crossover, ATR above, ATR stochastic below, and this is a crash. This is crash, so I'm going to buy this way down. Then when it got to 20, I exit. I'm not greedy. Don't be greedy when using this strategy. Just consistency is what brings you the money. Let me check on boom. Boom, boom. There is a strategy here, and that way you sell this way. Now, there's no active trade for me, so let me end it here. I don't want to make the video long. Just subscribe to our channel, subscribe to the channel to get more good strategies that will make you enough money. Bye for now.